So here's a pro tip, guys. I use a pool noodle. This is about a maybe 14-15 inch long pool noodle. And what I've done is I've made a slit right down the middle, not all the way through, but maybe just halfway. And what I've done is I pre-tie these leaders. Since I fish it a lot, and because of line twist, what I do is I tie a hook, leader, and then a small swivel here, and it's fluorescent lines. What I do is I insert the swivel in here, then I wrap it, and then wherever it comes through, I'll hook it onto it, and that stays pretty tight. So I have some tied leaders here from all sorts of color and